guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm a Russian American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews and tutorials of affordable and expensive makeup. For Walmart various websites, I'll test it on my face, I'll pass the savings to you guys. In this video, I'm doing a makeup haul. I got a big box here. Ooh, I can't lift it. I'll show you later. But anyway, Boxycharm had a huge sale on their website. As being Boxycharm subscriber, I never buy anything extra, but this time I went ham. And I got some really good brands. So I'm going to be unboxing this and showing you all the SHIT I got. And all of the discounts. You're going to be gagging how good it is. So if you guys are interested to see what I got, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so YouTube notifies you of every new video upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and also go live every Monday. Do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, the links are down in the description box, as well as my Patreon group. So please give this video a big thumbs up and comment below. So let's get right into this. Here got the box. Well, I took all the wrapping paper out. I haven't used a lot of it, but I have used some stuff so I can report and tell you what I think about it. Because some skincare, I'm like, I need to use it first before I unbox it. But makeup I haven't used yet. Let me open things one by one. I'm gonna start with skincare. I got receipts here. I kept the email, surprisingly. I usually delete all emails. I'm like, oh, the email's here with all the prices. So first thing I got, I had good experience with Dr. Murad before, and I had Murad glycolic acid. I had the Murad glycolic acid like years ago, and I loved it. So this was on sale on Boxycharm, and this is Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser, and I like it. It will exfoliate, but it's not harsh, and my face feels baby soft. And this was for $12. So retail value of this thing is $42. It's insane. So cha-ching savings. I'm telling you guys, Boxycharm deals were insane. When I went there to get the sale, it's not because I knew it, because I never know about any sales. So like, I'm not into it that much. But my friends are like, do you know you have Boxycharm? Do you know there is a sale? You gotta go now. Teresa was like, Elaina, go now, buy. So I did go and bought it, and it was like Teresa was right, everybody was right. It's great for $12. Dang. All right, others. The next stuff is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt. This stuff is great. So Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Face Mask, $18 I paid for this, and the retail value, let me see my screenshot, $49. This is insane. This looks like this. I've been using it. I just put it back in the box because I wanted to show you guys. Very pretty. Thing is, I thought it was gonna smell like avocado or something. It doesn't smell like anything. It doesn't have any scent. I'm into scented stuff. I know people don't like scents, but I do. But yeah, it's a nice texture. It's very creamy. I like it. I just don't like that it's not scented. I'm one of those people, the oddballs that don't like unscented stuff. Alright, the next one really smells good. So this is Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, and this was $18 as well. It's a really pretty box, and it's a pretty bottle. Looks like this. This one is yellow inside. This one smells just like bananas. It makes me hungry. It kind of smells like a banana flavored yogurt. I love it. This one is so moisturizing. It feels so hydrating, so nice. I love the texture of this stuff. This was a great value. So for $18, and the retail value of this is $39. Yeah, this stuff is not cheap. Glow Recipe is expensive, but it's a good stuff, really good stuff. So the next thing is makeup related. It's makeup. So I got a couple of Natasha Denona things. Excuse me. My friend spoiled me. So first of all, Missa and Teresa sent me this. So they sent me Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette. And this is ridiculously beautiful. Just the highlighters themselves. I mean, one of them is like totally glitter and the other one is shimmer. I mean, I'm wearing them now. They look freaking amazing. Let me add some more, just for the good measure. Anyway, so this is not related to what I got, but anyway, I got a couple of Natasha Denona things. So this is Glow Gold, and this is a shimmer duo. I have not touched it yet. It's beautiful, and been sitting in the box waiting for this box to be open. So this is a $9 item, $9. So this was $42. Holy cow! I'm like almost gagging, and I got it for $9. Boxycharm, what is wrong with you? How do you sell stuff so cheap? Alright. Oh, look at this packaging. Oh, I can't wait to swatch it. Oh my god, I can't wait. Oh, I think I dipped my fingers in it already, didn't I? And I forgot about it. Look at it though. Oh my god, this is crazy. I gotta do it. I gotta swatch it. Well, this one looks like just glittery shimmer. Very similar to the palette. And this is pure gold. Feels very soft. The glitter, I think it's better to pick up with, oh yeah, you can definitely see. Oh yes. Oh yes. That's gonna be beautiful. Can't wait to use that. That's gonna look great on my skin tone. I have like a light medium skin, so that's gonna work real well for me. And it's a beautiful compact shoe. I'm into it. And the second item from Natasha Denona is All Over Glow Face and Body Shimmer in Powder. Everything is so pretty. Her packaging is like beautiful, outstanding. So this was the same. I think it was $9. Yeah, that was for $9. And retail value of this, again, another thing that's gonna make me gag. This was $38, guys. That's crazy. How did Boxycharm got their paws on this so little and sold it to me for this? Look at this. Oh, it's such a beautiful box. Just the box itself. Oh, that looks nice. That looks nice. And I can use it as a face highlighter. Forget about box. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it's very soft. I think it's gonna be one of those very soft, very flattering for like Asian skin, because it feels very, very microfine. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but oh my god, I'm gagging. I'm adding some more stuff to my cheeks. Like, let me add some more stuff, as if I don't have enough SHAT on my face now. So I have a couple more things here, right? Yeah, I have another shimmer. So this is Zoeva Visionary Light Multi-Use Face Powder. I was into the highlighting glowy SHIT. When I saw that, I'm like, I've got to get it. I can't miss this. So this was $9 as well. And the retail value of this, drummer roll, $26. So that's not as Natasha Denona, but still, for one highlight, that's pretty steep. So I'm glad I got it for $9. Opening things is also a struggle. Come on. So the box itself, I mean, the packaging is beautiful. The component is nice and shiny. Oh my god, this is pure gold. John, look at that. My husband just gave me eyeballs in house. Oh, I can't. Oh, it feels so soft. Holy cow. This is pure gold. I literally can use it in my eyelids as eyeshadow. Using it as a highlight, oh my god, I'm gonna look crazy in a good way. But some people would say in a bad way. But I'm still gonna use it. This is like pure gold. Amazing, just amazing. For certain looks, so especially for some extra looks or some artistic looks that I do on my channel, it's gonna look really great. And the last item we get into the bottom of this. The last item is Makeup Forever stuff. I never owned anything Makeup Forever, and I know Makeup Forever has great cream products. And when I saw this, I'm like, I gotta try this. So this is Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting 4-in-1 Face Contouring Palette. That was $9 in the color medium. And the retail value of this, $45. That's insane. So I have not used it, like I said, like I haven't used any of this except for the face skincare. It has a little insert. I think it kind of gives you the steps. Oh, it gives you directions for the beginners. Interesting thing. Oops, almost lost it. So here's the palette. Looks pretty good colors. Looks very light. I don't know how it is medium. Looks pretty light. I think it's gonna be just right for me. I'm not gonna put my fingers in it, but you can see there is a highlight shade, shimmer. There is a contour shade. There is it says highlight too. I guess there's two highlights, but I think this is matte and this is shimmer and this is blush. Yeah, this probably not gonna be a highlight for me, but we'll see. It looks nice. I'm definitely gonna use contour and blush, maybe except for this color, but yeah, I'm very excited to check it out. So I hope you guys like this. Let me put this down. Ugh. So I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Let me know if you used that opportunity, if you subscribed to Boxycharm. That was an amazing sale, which I had no idea about. So thank you, Teresa, for letting me know. And I think a couple of other girls that like pushed me, slapped me on the butt. Elaina, go buy. So let me know what you got, if you got any, and leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and also go live every Monday. Like this video if you enjoyed it, give this a big thumbs up, and comment, and follow me Instagram, Twitter. The links are down in the description box. So a huge thank you to all my patrons. I love you guys. You're amazing. I have a Patreon group. The link to my group is also down in the description box. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.